go. There you go. Feel it. Open your hand. Thanks, Bridget. What'd you do that for? I don't know.
I thought you liked the family.
Happy or married?
In the week family.
And this is really, really important. You'll see why. Are you ready? I'm going to speak this one in about. Oh, you stole one, you cheeky kid. Are you ready? Are you ready? You're going to be my verification lady. Okay, here we go. As I'm running through this, sorry, your name is Tim, is it? Tim, what I need you to do, Tim, is look at the card number one. And it must be a card that you see. Rosie just verified me. This is a shuffle deck of cards, okay? They're not in any particular order, okay? I will ask you in a second. Here we go. Are you ready? About half an hour. Wait, we're going to shuffle them one more time. Tim, for the first time, name your card. You know, there's one easy way of finding the Jack of Diamonds. That's the next one. It's actually this magic rubbish. What's it, Jack of Diamonds? Are you sure? No, seriously? What? That's enough. Okay, it's not the greatest trick in the world, is it? Tim, what I need you to do, hold out your hand nice and flat for me, okay? Can you do that? We need about half and half of this. The other hand on top is very, very important, okay? Bridget, do exactly the same for me. Here we go. Are you ready? The other hand on top. I'm telling you now, this is the same deck that I've used all night. You shuffled them, I even shuffled them against you before you named your card, right? Jack of Diamonds, right? I'm going to try and take out all the red cards out of your half and throw them over to you. Bridget, did you feel them go? No. If I take all the red cards out of your black half and throw it over to you, that didn't even make sense. Take all the black cards out of your half and throw them over. Did you feel them go, Tim?
Yes, of course.
Strange man. Well, in theory, that can't happen. It really can't. You shuffle them, you shuffle them. Verification, mate. Shuffle them. We reshuffle them again. I tell you what, look, there is one card, the Jack. Here we go. If I just, can you see it? You'll look at it. It's a bad sight. Have another glass, you'll be fine. Here we go. Did you feel your hand rise by one card? No. Did you feel your hand go down by one? Of course not. It doesn't make sense. You shuffle them, you shuffle them. It's the same deck. Lift your hand up, Bridget. I'm going to do this purely for quickness. Bear in mind, this is the same deck. Are you ready? You should now have all the red cards. Lift your hand up, Tim. And you should have all the black cards except for one card. The card you immediately thought of. Jack